Happy Easter, friends! Come take some time and create some fun Easter crafts with me.
Hey, buds! I'm cutting out a circle, and some more circles, and some rectangles, and you won't believe the adorable thing I'm making. First, I'm going to add some fluffy wool, and then I'm just going to start piling on the circles and rectangles. And look at this! The most adorable, fluffy little sheep! You've got to try this! Happy crafting! Hi, friends! Last week we made tie-dyed Easter eggs by coloring on paper towels and wrapping them around eggs and spraying them with water. But once they were done, we were left with these beautiful paper towels. We let them dry, rounded off the corners, and folded them back and forth and secured them with pipe cleaners. And now we have beautiful tie-dyed butterflies. So cool! Happy crafting! Let's make some Easter party crackers. I start by cutting the tissue paper roll in half. I add tiny bits of tape on both sides to hold it in place while I fill it. To keep everything secure, I cover one end with tissue paper. Now for the fun part, filling it. I added a bouncy ball, some Easter candy, and an Easter egg for a double surprise. Then I sealed the top. Next, I cut an Easter napkin in half. I wrapped the tube in tissue paper and perforated tiny holes around the center to make it easier to tear. I wrapped the napkin around it and secured the ends with ribbon. Finally, I fluffed up the tissue paper, and there you have it, a super simple Easter party popper ready to share. Happy Easter and happy crafting! Make a jumping rabbit with me, just in time for Easter.
Hi friends! Today we're going to make a magic color-changing flower. First we'll take paper towels and cut them into circles. Then we'll grab some washable markers and draw a line straight across each circle, any color you like. Next, fold the circles in half and place them around the base of a paper cup. Overlap them slightly to make a flower shape. Make sure the colored line is right on the fold. Now gently lift your flower off the cup and place it in a shallow dish of water. Watch closely. The colors will travel up the petals like magic. As the water soaks in, your flower transforms into a beautiful, colorful bloom. Try different colors to create your own unique flowers. Isn't that amazing? Science and art come together in the most magical way. Happy crafting!